Chapter 1 History of Kombucha Tea. Nobody knows for sure how far back kombucha goes, and the truth has been so mixed with legends over the years that it's hard to separate them now. But we're going to do our best to present you with the history of kombucha tea and how it came all the way from an ancient Chinese medicinal drink to a modern-day health beverage around the world. First mention. The first recorded mention of kombucha goes back to 220 before Christ during the Qing dynasty in China. It was said to have been used as a drink of immortality for Emperor Qin Huangdi. This is likely where it gets the cha part of its name, as the Chinese word for tea is cha. The Chinese had many other names for this drink, as well such as stomach treasure, sea mushroom, and tea mold. Dr. Kombu. Supposedly, in the year 414 AD, a Korean doctor by the name of Dr. Kombu brought the drink to Emperor Inyoko of Japan, and this is where the drink gets its name. However, there isn't enough evidence to back up this history, so it could be the stuff of legends. Another story is that Genghis Khan carried kombucha with him as he traveled. Russia and beyond. From Asia, kombucha found its way to Russia as well as Europe, where it not only gained popularity until the 19th century, but also gained a few more names, such as in Russia, where it's referred to as tea mushroom. According to one account, this beverage saved the life of Alexander Solzhenitsyn, a Nobel Prize winner, while he was in exile in Siberia. World War II. Kombucha continued to be popular throughout Europe and Russia until the beginning of World War II. This was because both tea and sugar were rationed and was too hard for the beverage citizen to get their hands on enough of them to regularly make the drink. After the war, however, it began to grow again in popularity and saw a surge in the 1960s when Swiss researchers proved its health benefits. Chernobyl. In the 1980s, there was a horrific accident near Chernobyl in Russia where a nuclear plant melted down, exposing hundreds of people nearby to radiation. There was a group of people made up primarily of elderly women, however, that survived and did better than the others. It was found by the scientists and doctors that these people regularly drank kombucha. Modern popularity. Since the year 2000, kombucha has become a popular health drink throughout the Western world, with people all over Europe, the United States, and Australia enjoying its numerous health benefits. Unfortunately, as many hail this drink as a miracle cure for a number of ailments, others claim it to be dangerous. Because it is created through a natural process and cannot be patented, big companies have little interest in it, which is why there has been few studies done on kombucha to provide completely conclusive evidence one way or the other. Now that we have uncovered what kombucha is and the history of this tea, the next thing to do is explain how it's made, more specifically the SCOBY, mother, which is what we will cover in the next part.